Guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mary Addy. If you are new here, please, you're most welcome. If you're my returning subscriber, you're highly welcome. So basically today I'm gonna show you how to make Luqaimat or Kaimat. It is the Middle East favorite snacks or sweet. So basically the ingredients you're gonna need flour, purpose flour, and also oil and yeast and powder milk. Those are the ingredients. Yes. For those who want flavor, you can add flavor. Basically, you can just add flavor if you want flavor. And yeah, that's it. The ingredients, it's not hard. I know everybody, you have them in your kitchen, and those are just the ingredients. So basically here I'm trying to mix the flour into a dough. So basically the dough should be lighter, and also it should be more watery for Luqaimat. Don't make it like mandazi. It will not work. Yes, it will not work. You must make it as watery, not like the one we make for mandazi. So this is the favorite snack or sweet. It is just like us Kenyans, we like mandazi. For them, they like this Luqaimat or Kaimat, or you can call them donut balls. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for whoever is supporting me. Thank you so much. God bless you. So basically this is how I mix my dough. Sorry for not measuring my oil. Yeah, I did it casually, but you can measure your oil. For me, I just did it casually. So basically after you finish your dough, mixing your dough, make sure you cover it and keep it for like 30 minutes. Yeah, your dough will be ready to make Luqaimat. Your dough will be ready to make Luqaimat. So please keep watching. Yep, thank you.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So after keeping your dough for 30 minutes, I'm here making my sweetener. Yes, you need to make your sweetener to put on your Luqaimat when it's ready. You have to mix it with the sweetener. This is the sweetener, guys. It's just sugar and water. And also you can buy the sweetener. If you want, you can buy the cream. You can put honey. It is all up to you. You can put the dates syrup. It is all up to you. It is all up to your taste. So here you can put the cinnamon. You can put the cardamom in this sugar and let it boil. Later you put you mix, you put inside, you put Luqaimat inside, or you sprinkle up on your Luqaimat to shine and look delicious. And also you can as well sprinkle the sesame. Yes. So basically, if you need to cut your Luqaimat into small balls, you can use the plastic bag. You can use the can of water to cut your dolls into small balls of Luqaimat. So basically, for me, I used my hand with the spoon, just the way it is on your screen. That's how you divide your Luqaimat with your hand. The spoon must have oil, guys. Yes, so that's how I did mine. So if you are struggling to divide your Luqaimat, that's what you have to do. Use the plastic bag or use the bottle of water and put a hole there. Fill inside the doll and squeeze them slowly by slowly using markers. So basically this is my Luqaimat. Very delicious.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that